to my channel. I'm Alexa. Today we're making homemade lemonade. I measured out all my ingredients and I recommend that you do so too. You can find a list of ingredients and measurements in the link in the description. Remember to watch the video first so you can be prepared. First, I'm going to make my simple syrup. To do this, I'm going to put my water into my small saucepan on medium heat. I'm going to let this warm for 30 to 40 seconds. Then I'm going to add in the sugar. Make sure it doesn't boil. We just want the sugar to melt. After the sugar is completely melted, take it off the stove and let it cool completely. Refrigerate it if you aren't planning to use it all immediately. Now I'm going to put my butterfly pea flowers into my warm water. I'm going to stir this for a second and then let this sit for about 5 minutes so it can seep. This is a picture of how it looked after 4 minutes. Now I'm going to put a small strainer on top of my pitcher which has my regular water in it and pour my butterfly pea flower water into it. This is so that the butterfly pea flowers don't go into the pitcher. Then I'm going to add in my simple syrup and lemon juice. Stir this a little bit to make sure everything is mixed together. And my butterfly pea flower lemonade is done and looking delicious. Please let me know what you thought of the video in the comments and how the recipe went for you. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe so you can see when new videos are added. Thank you and enjoy.